16 COVID-19 positive resident in Tasikmalaya district to village run mass swab test. Certain suspect in narcotic abuse arrested by police in Tasikmalaya district. Government of Sukabumi district prepares mobile vaccination for elderly. Good afternoon, TVRI West Java coming back to you at the end of this week to deliver various news and information about West Java through TVRI West Java Global National News. On this edition, 19th of June 2021, the Global National News team of TVRI West Java has prepared various news and information about West Java. With me, Tegar Bestari, this is Global National News TVRI West Java. Let's follow the first news from Tasikmalaya. 16 residents from 2 villages in Sariwangi Sub-District Tasikmalaya West Java confirmed positive of COVID-19. The village and the health office conducted mass tracking and swab on hundreds of residents who are in close contact with COVID-19 patients as a measure of anticipation of widespread exposure to the virus. This broadcast can also be accessed on TVRI digital channel beside the clean picture, clean voice, and sophisticated technology. You're still watching Global National News. A number of culinary stalls during the pandemic in Tasikmalaya City now remain a top choice to go to. One of them is Milky Sticky Rice stall that serve this from Ketang rice with various toppings. Now the stall is hunt for young people. Beside being cheap, it also has a good taste. That's the Global National News TVRI West Java. Keep strictly implementing health protocol. Final word, I'm Tegar Besari along with the West Java TVRI relatives on duty to say thank you and see you next Saturday on Global National News.